Welcome to the MOTOROLA Motorola Defy, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago here, and now I'll try to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how far this feature is and does it work. So let's start. I'll just check if I'm sitting in a good position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here really fast, so we can unlock the device just in 1 second. This is a really good result. Or I'll just try one more thing. I'll try to wear the glasses here because I set up my my face recognition without the glasses. Now I'll try to wear them and we'll see does it work with the glasses. So yeah, as you can see, here is just no problem to do that. Okay, let's just try once again. Okay, one more time. Okay, that's worked also. So that's it. I suggest you just to try this unlock method. For example, if you don't like some unlock methods like the pin codes or passcodes, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than patterns or pin codes or passcodes on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.